Have you heard other people talking about optimal living and are wondering what it is and whether it could help you to achieve more of your goals in life? In this guide, we take a closer look at what optimal living is all about and how you can make changes in your life to exploit its full potential. Optimal living, at its heart, is all about finding the perfect balance in your life to help you achieve the goals that you've set for yourself. It's about becoming more productive, more successful, and forging stronger and more positive relationships in every area of your life. Working towards continuous improvement is at the core of optimal living. Of course, living optimally isn't something that always comes to us naturally. We must implement changes to improve our mental and physical well-being, and we can do this by utilizing certain lifestyle hacks. What's a lifestyle hack? It's a simple change that you can put in place that will revolutionize the way you do things. The point of a lifestyle hack is that it's a shortcut or trick to increase your efficiency and productivity in all areas of your life. Why are lifestyle hacks so beneficial for your mental and physical well-being? The modern world is a hectic and frantic place. We're all working harder than ever before, trying to achieve more in our working and personal lives, while striving to stay fit and healthy both mentally and physically at the same time. It's a tall order. Simplifying how we live our lives can make a huge difference to the way we face the world, and this is where lifestyle hacks can prove indispensable. These simple methods are quick and easy to implement, but can simplify and improve how we live exponentially. You'll find that you'll soon see positive changes that ripple out across all aspects of your daily life. Are you ready to find out more about the lifestyle hacks that you can put in place in your own life? Then continue watching and discover 10 easy changes that will help you to enjoy the best possible physical and mental health every day of the year.